Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to speak about how you can focus on promoting a product by looking at, for example, how others are doing. So for example, one of the things that you could do is look at competitors' complaints in the review sections. So you're going to look at their product pages and go through the reviews and see what negative comments people left. Second thing you can do after you find out those negative things is that you can work on those and improve upon them. So you can, as an example, contact a factory and tell them what you can improve on. See if they can make the improvements that you want, right? So you have to ask. So if you look at a competitor's store, I mentioned here Jungle Scout, but don't worry about Jungle Scout for now. But the thing is, you're trying to find out the most common keywords that they use on their store. So that's another thing you could do. You could also find out the supplier of a seller. So they are the distributor, right? Technically, well, you don't know if they are the ones who manufacture the product. So you could potentially go to trade shows as well to find a source. So your intention should be wanting to wholesale products. You buy in bulk, so you become an authorized sale of brand names, of whatever brand names. So even if they're gated, so as an example, retail arbitrage, online arbitrage, sometimes there will be products that are gated. So even if you buy these products, you're still not authorized to sell these products. So you want to know how many units you need to give away. Customer search term reports exact keywords they used. So what keywords are people using when they search on Amazon? Keywords which they purchase. So which keywords that they search and ended up in a purchase. So you also want to split test the titles with long tail or short tail keywords. So search product. So as an example, what I mean here is that whenever you search a product, so let me actually search a product. So here is an example. I have a product open, right? So let's say that if I search on Amazon, so you see the name of the book, let's just say Life and Work, just like that. So we're gonna get a list of many products, right? So on here, number 3, study keywords of the top sellers. So you might be wondering, like, how are you going to determine the top sellers? So that's where Jungle Scout comes in. It's not working at the moment, unfortunately, but basically you would determine the top sellers of that product and see the keywords that they are using for those specific products. So, okay, so number 4, ASIN plus keyword scout equals top product keywords. So that means the ASIN, just like I had mentioned just now, you're looking for the key words, the most used keywords, short tail or long tail keywords for listing products on your title, or for including those words to bid on those words via PPC on Amazon. PPC is an example. So you can search the ASIN to get the competitors' keywords. Okay guys, so this is what I did. Let me walk you through. So I just Google ASIN to keywords. Then the website that I selected, Seller App. This is the ASIN. So let me go back to the PDF and show you again. You see how it says ASIN plus keyword, top product keywords. So how you get the ASIN, let me go to any of the products. So you can see this product right here. So you see the URL. So the ASIN is always the one that begins with B. So you see the letter B right there. So you copy that and you literally will just paste it here, which is that ASIN is already there. So I will go ahead and search it. So you'll see that it will display all the most searched keywords, right, for this particular product based on the ASIN itself. So that's the ASIN, and that's how you get the products. So you want to re-optimize your product listings every 30 days. You want to split test your titles, your bullet points. You want to make sure that you have your brand trademarked. So brand registry, really important. Otherwise, people could hijack your product. So the way that hijacking works is that when you go out of stock or out of inventory, somebody could easily come in and take your position, right? And they will take over your sales. And you don't want that to happen because that would affect your sales velocity. So number 8, Amazon stores only available to register brands. So on Amazon, you can register your brand. So an LLC as an example. Key products in stock to avoid hijackers. I was just talking about that. Mobile optimization. So 80% of buyers are mobile. So phone, tablet, desktop. 80%. That's a big percent. Only the first 3 bullet points appear on your listing on a mobile device. So that's really important. The bullet points. So having the keywords is really important. Watch out for competitors. BSR change fluctuate depending upon the category they are in. So that's referring to the sales history. So let me actually show you really quick. I'm using the Chrome extension, the Camelizer. Okay, so let's move on for now. But essentially, the sales, this bestseller rank, the bestseller rank will change based off the product's sales history. The product's price will fluctuate over time depending upon the demand of the product. So, and it also depends upon the category that they're in. So some categories might fluctuate more, right? There might be more demand, so the product might go up, versus in other categories there might be less demand, so the price might go down, and the rank might also be affected in a negative way. So how many items are in a category? So it's another good thing to be aware of, because whenever you know your BSR, for example, if you know the exact number of products in that category, you can know how well that product really is in terms of ranking, right? So that's why you would want to know. The category varies and the rankings vary on each category. So, I actually skipped. That was number 15. So number 14. Okay, let's say this one is 15. Amazon PPC. So you start with automatic campaigns. You always want to start out with a $30 budget. You want to bump suggested bids by 15% of what it says. So as an example, if you're starting out at $30 per day budget and you see that your keywords are getting you results, right? You want to increase your budget by 15%. You want to run 7 to 10 days to test to see what performs and what doesn't perform. So look at the search term reports, as I had mentioned. Menu campaigns, Amazon search suggested keywords. So these are some tools that you could use to get keywords. So Keyword IO, Merchant Words, Keyword Scout, which is Jungle Scout keyword search tool. There's also Google Keyword Planner. So at the end of this, after you search keywords on here, you should be merging them on merge words. So let me actually go through them really quick. Okay, so here's Keyword IO, really useful tool. You see here it says Amazon. So let's go ahead and search something. I'll search remote. So let's see what comes up. So you can see it's loading. So that's how you get these words, right? So I'm just showing you how to compile keywords. I'm not showing you how to actually use which keywords on the actual listing product or the product listing page. So here is Keyword Scout, and here is the Google Keyword Planner. So at the end of it, you're using the tool Merge Words. So let me Google that, mergewords.com. So you're doing keywords, right? You're gonna copy them, you're gonna paste them here, and you're gonna use Merge Words to give you the final combination of keywords down here. So let me do a quick run through to show you what I mean. Okay, I don't want to spend too much time, but basically you copy the keywords, you paste them here, you paste them here, you paste them here. If you have 3 different sources, then you merge and it will give you, the final combination, and those are the keywords that you use to extract words for your listings or for your bullet points or for your copy within your actual product listing ad. Okay guys, so that's kind of all I wanted to say, really. I can't think of anything else. So I'm Jeffrey checking out. Rewatch the video if you don't understand something, and be sure to ask me if you have any questions. All right, take care.